Hey guys, so today I will be unboxing the third generation Echo Dot with clock. So I'm recording this on my birthday, and this is actually a birthday gift I got from my parents. So yeah, let's see. So this is the retail box. I think it's just called the Echo Dot with clock. Yeah, that's what it says on the box. So this is my very first smart speaker, and I got it on sale. I think it was like half price. So here are some close-ups of the box. I hope that comes out good, because I can't really see how it's recording. Just a pull tab over here to open. Then the smart speaker is on top. It's pretty heavy. So it's shaped like a hockey puck. Fabric feels pretty nice. So let's put this down, and there's a manual thing inside and some other paperwork. Underneath there is the power adapter. Which is a 15-watt power adapter with a proprietary barrel connector type thing. Feels pretty premium. Buttons are clicky. This is the action button, this is the mute button, and these are the volume controls. And then over here there is the 3.5mm aux cable port, and here is the power port. And there's a rubber material on the bottom. So I'm gonna connect this thing right now. So I think it's ready to connect. So I'm gonna wait for any voice prompts, and I'll get my phone right after that. Yeah, no, I'll just get my phone right now.
Hello. Your device is ready for setup. Just download the Alexa app and follow the instructions. Bonjour. Votre appareil est prêt pour la configuration. Téléchargez l'application Alexa et suivez les instructions.
Okay, that kind of scared me a bit, not gonna lie. But yeah, there it is. There was a voice prompt. I have the app installed. Okay, so I'm gonna set it up from my phone right now. So I'm accepting the location, turning on Bluetooth. Searching. This shouldn't take too long. So it's an Echo Dot. Yes. Searching again, this one. Select Wi-Fi network. Yeah, so it connected, it's showing a blue-green light.
Your Echo is ready.
Okay, so that was, I don't know, somewhat quick. Could have been quicker if I had the app set up previously, but I didn't have that. The clock turned on automatically and it synced the time with my phone. The clock looks pretty neat. And then volume controls are nice. Oh, you didn't see that, but on the display it showed the volume as well. Okay, so obviously the first thing that you're going to want to ask this device, which has a clock, is Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 10:07 a.m.
Okay, that works.
Enjoy your weekend.
Thanks. There's this one feature that I've heard of, which is pretty cool, which I think you can whisper and it'll whisper back. I'll try that. Alexa, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Oh no, that didn't work. Oh, let me try again. Alexa, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Oh, that worked. Okay, that was neat.
If you ever want me to stop whispering back when you whisper, just say, turn off whisper mode.
Okay. Alexa, what is the weather?
Right now in Mississauga, it's 22 degrees Celsius with mostly sunny skies. Today's forecast has intermittent clouds, with a high of 27 degrees and a low of 20 degrees.
Okay, there's this other feature which is called Announce. Alexa, announce it's my birthday.
Announcing.
It's my birthday.
Oh, that was pretty neat. Okay, so it announced that. So if you have multiple, I think, Amazon Echo devices set up, then it'll announce that from all of its devices, but since this is my first and the first one in this household, it just announced from here, which is fine for me. So in my opinion, the Echo Dot with clock is a really great smart speaker with some pretty decent sound and a lot of functionality, which you should definitely consider to buy as a smart speaker. So before I end this video, here's some royalty-free music from the Echo Dot at 50% volume. I'll put all of the links in the description.